Welcome back to another episode of Talks Without a Map. I'm Ritima, and with me is my partner in chaos, Rohan.
It's a chaos. Okay.
And today we are tackling something that probably decides half of our moods in a day. It's called Instagram.
Yeah. Insta.
Yes.
The place where you go to scroll for 5 minutes and suddenly it's 2 a.m. You're stalking a cat influencer from Turkey and questioning your life choices.
Exactly. Insta can be pure inspiration. Fashion hacks, travel reels, food recipes, workout tips, and lot of things.
And then comes the frustration part also.
Yeah.
Like those reels that say, wake up at 5 a.m., drink celery juice, meditate for 3 hours, build a business and retire by 30. अरे भाई मुझे तो 5 बजे अलार्म बंद करना ही ओलंपिक गोल्ड लगता है. My dad always tells me हमारे घर में 5 बजे का घड़ी ही नहीं है, वो घड़ी में ही नहीं है 5 बजे का कांटा.
Totally. Insta has this way of making you feel you're either a superhero or a total loser. Like, I watch one reel on minimalism lifestyle, and suddenly I'm like, do I really need these clothes? Seriously, yaar, it makes me think.
Meanwhile, my algorithm is convinced I want to be a chef. Every second reel is some Firangi making 15-second pasta.
I know.
Bro, in my kitchen it's 45 minutes, 3 burnt utensils and Swiggy on speed dial. Completely, let's be fair about it.
Yeah. Insta also inspires like travel reels. I have actually discovered places I never knew existed.
Yes. But you know that's the topic we want to discuss.
Yeah.
Insta se inspiration ya frustration.
Huh?
So inspiration is there for sure, and you know what really inspires me? I mean that chef thing is fine, it's there in my algorithm for some reason, but it's those ASMR videos.
Oh,
I love those.
I
They're therapeutic
love,
and
yeah.
they're inspirational
Yeah.
because they're very simple, but
Yeah.
they have a profound impact.
Yeah.
I
And
completely-
I feel, that those ASMR videos soothing लगते हैं यार.
बहुत
I
soothing.
mean, when you're like, you feel that your day is screwed up. Like,
Yeah.
and that time when you watch these ASMR videos, like,
अच्छा
they're
लगता
really
है.
soothing.
And they
yeah.
don't have background music. It's just the normal
Yeah.
music that is
Yeah.
So for those who don't know, let me tell you the actual full form of ASMR. Yes, it is Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response.
Oh my God.
This is the full form. लेकिन मैं आपको simple करके बताता हूँ. It is short, like really short videos.
They can be long
compiled.
also.
Yeah, but they're compiled. I'm saying that of day-to-day activities, and they are compiled into one whole video, and there is no background music
Yeah.
as such, and it like in total that video shows you a particular chore.
Action sounds big.
Yeah.
basically.
It shows you a particular chore of a person. Like for example, I am taking my dog for a spin. Then right from waking him up
Yeah.
to putting the leash on and then giving him food and everything till the time I put him in the car and bring him back. तो ये जो पूरा process है उसका दो seconds का ऐसे छोटे छोटे videos लेके
They compile
yeah
it,
they
yeah.
compile it, and so they're very soothing, and you can do
Yeah.
ASMR on anything.
Yeah.
Yeah. So inspiration वहाँ से मुझे मिलता है.
हाँ. Or fitness reels. I see these fit people lifting weights, running marathons, then doing yoga on a beach, and 60-year-old, 70-year-old doing lifting weights and all. It's very inspiring.
And
yeah?
do you do anything about it?
Well, I have started some, and it has helped me. Like,
Really?
this exercise called Soul Touch. It has
What is that?
It's an exercise where, like, your heel and toes, you have to, like, alternatively you have to tap on the floor.
Tap on the floor.
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
And it has reduced my sugar level.
Really?
It has helped
I
me,
think
yes.
I think there is something related to your toes and sugar.
Yes.
They say.
Yes. Because, it creates that pressure on your calf. And मेरे को ज़्यादा उसमें ये पता नहीं है, but it has got my sugar down. That's for sure.
Yeah, that's
Because I said कि सुबह उठते ही मेरे को Blinkit पे order करना होता है. So what I do is I get up and I take my phone in my hand, and पैर से मैं I just sit on the bed with my floor on the
like you're on the floor.
हाँ,
Your feet on the floor.
feet on the floor, and then I start my Blinkit का order, and meanwhile I do that exercise.
Acha.
Okay.
So while you are actually placing an order, you're doing that niche.
Yeah.
Acha,
And it has helped me.
That's great.
In fact, my knee pain has also reduced considerably. So
Okay.
it has helped me.
That's good. I
Yeah.
think fitness posts inspire me a lot as well. I feel like more and more boys who go to the gym, that also comes in my algorithm. I like the way they even write from what clothes they wear at the
Yeah.
gym and what protein shakes they have
Yeah.
and what diet they follow.
हाँ.
तो ये सब भी बहुत inspirational है. You feel like if these guys can do, then why I can't do?
Yeah.
And it's not necessarily that guy is like ripped and muscular
Yeah.
and bodybuilder.
Yeah.
Just a normal guy like me
Yeah.
would also do it. तो ये भी मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
And even from the
inspirational.
people from rural areas, they are making
Yes,
such impact.
not to
like,
mention, yes.
Yeah. See, there are some cringe content that you, of course, if you don't like, you have that option to skip it.
Skip it, yeah.
Okay, or don't like it, so it won't show in your feed
Algorithm.
Yeah, so you can do that. But there is a lot of things. I feel it very I feel ki Insta can be very inspirational. Of course, what happens is you get addicted, and then time ka pata nahi chalta hai. See, that's a bad thing. So somewhere you need to control that.
But it happens.
That's-
Like in the previous episode, we were talking about jet lag.
yeah.
And in that, so I had a lot of spare time in my jet lag phase.
Yeah.
Because काम कम था, thankfully, so I was just resting and I was scrolling and it actually ate my mind
Yeah.
a lot. तो उतना भी नहीं होना चाहिए.
Yeah.
I feel like access it till it inspires you.
Yeah.
उससे ज़्यादा तो नहीं होना चाहिए, वरना it will go to the next part of our conversation, that is frustration.
Yeah.
So I feel like it also can induce a lot of frustration in people because Insta kind of shows a very glossy picture also.
Yeah.
कि ये सब अच्छा है,
हाँ.
तो मैं ऐसा ही दिखता. And not to mention, lots of people also put edited stuff.
Yeah. And now AI is there.
AI is there. So I just want to let you know that Insta पे जो होता है वो सच हमेशा होता है, ऐसे नहीं होता. Whether it is photos, whether it is videos, whether it is reels, whether it is stories, whether it is business collab, anything.
Yeah.
So love your life first,
Yeah.
and then automatically you will not be frustrated by
Yeah.
seeing posts.
Yeah.
Have you ever felt that way, like frustrated?
I have never felt frustrated. मुझे frustration तब होता है जब I am spending hours and hours on Insta. तब मुझे लगता है अरे I had to do some work and which I have forgotten.
Yeah,
And
that
then
happens.
and
That
then
actually
later
happens.
I realize अरे मेरे को ये करना चाहिए था. So that's the time, like I feel frustrated. But otherwise there is lot of inspiration I get from Insta.
Yeah. But I have heard like from a few people, and I have also read about this, that इंस्टा पे फोटो देख के किसी के अच्छा हो रहा है ये फोटो देख के पीपल गेट जेलस, पीपल गेट इनसिक्योर इफ नॉट जेलस कि अरे इसके लाइफ में इतना अच्छा है, आई एम वर्किंग सो हार्ड, आई एम डूइंग दिस, आई डिजर्व दिस, देन व्हाई एम आई नॉट गेटिंग. सो अगेन लाइक आई सेड, दैट रोजी ग्लॉसी पिक्चर, तो वो जो इंस्टा पे दिखता है वो इंस्टा के लिए ही रहने दो. आपके लाइफ में डोंट गेट इट, बिकॉज योर लाइफ इज एज प्रेशियस एज rather more precious than those glossy pictures. And ये मेरा पर्सनल टेक है.
नहीं सेम विथ मी.
Yeah. And what I feel is the more you start loving and knowing your own self, the more you'll be confident about even how you post on social media.
Right.
Whether it is Insta and Facebook. मतलब I have seen people who keep posting rampantly कुछ भी. That shows a lot of volatility in their mentality. That they are frustrated because of something. Maybe they are watching content on Insta and getting inspired by it, and they feel like even they can do the same thing. Comparison and all those things. So सबके लिए सब कुछ नहीं होता. You try to find your niche, and then वो आपका जो frustration है वो automatically कम हो जाएगा. That अरे इसके लाइफ में अच्छा हो रहा है, अरे इसके साथ ये हो रहा है. That way, I feel like.
And जो comments रहते हैं, negative comments, that's I feel those are frustrated people, and probably they have got this platform to take out the frustration. But तुम लोग दूसरों पे मत निकालो यार. I mean, someone is doing good, like you should not get jealous and frustrate नहीं होना चाहिए ना.
No, comments are horrendous.
Horrible.
And I mean, you're commenting on legends like Lata Mangeshkar or Bade Ghulam Ali Khan Saab and everyone. I've seen these kind of comments. Like people have, आपको घर बैठे बोलने में क्या जाता है? You have no idea about what those people are. They're like legends. And these are like legends. But even any man or a woman who is posting something on reel, आप comments करते हो, you have no idea about their background, you have no
Yeah.
idea about how hard they have worked,
Yeah.
how deserving they are, etc.
Yeah.
etc.
Yeah.
So, but you can't stop such people.
Yeah.
All you can do is ignore
Yeah.
and
That's
not be
what-
frustrated
Yeah. Yeah.
completely.
Yeah, I mean, and talking of inspiration, I see this recently. I've started watching Saurav Joshi,
Okay.
and he's a 25-year-old boy, and I mean man, and
Boy only.
for me, he's a boy.
Boy
but
only. We are all boys only. Man bin कुछ नहीं अभी तक.
and I'm seeing his progress. Like, oh my God! I mean, he's a huge inspiration for me. Like, that boy has gone from where to where, and
Yeah.
my blessings are with him.
Yeah, that's
Seriously,
great.
yeah,
वैसे ही होना चाहिए.
yeah, and I feel so proud.
यस सो इंस्टा को आप फ्रेंड की तरह ले लो जिसके साथ आप टाइम स्पेंड कर सकते हो जिसके साथ आप कुछ सीख सकते हो यू शुड फील गुड
Yeah,
फ्रॉम दैट रादर देन सीइंग द नेगेटिव
yeah.
पॉइंट्स
और ऐसे में there are so many things to learn from, like there are so many courses now. They are available either free में रहते हैं या 99 rupees या 149 rupees में. I mean, you can, if there's something interests you, you should invest that kind of money. It's not a
Absolutely.
huge amount. और अगर आपको उसमें भी अगर अच्छा लगा, then you can go for advanced courses. During COVID and all, I used to attend such courses,
lovely.
and that has helped me tremendously.
I'm sure Insta
Yeah.
actually gives you valid courses
Yes,
and stuff.
yes.
And I also like to shop on Insta. at
Yeah,
times,
that
You
is-
get good stuff out there.
Yeah. See, these small manufacturers and all, even they have started
Yeah.
on Insta. So to buy from them, you are helping them directly without any middlemen.
Yeah.
You are helping them, and plus you are also getting things at cheaper rates.
Yes. Let's
So it's
just
a
say good
win-win.
rates. Yeah. This reminds me, in my previous gym, I used to work out and I made a friend and he was wearing these really comfortable t-shirts.
Okay.
Like they were little large size ones. That's in fashion, right? Wearing loose.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I asked him and he's like, this is a small time vendor. I found him on Insta. He's very genuine and reliable. So I contacted that fellow. He is sitting somewhere in Punjab.
Yeah.
And he said, Sir ji, हम भेज सकते हैं आपको if you want in Mumbai. And you won't believe, even the delivery charges were included. A pure cotton t-shirt, it looks really nicely. It looks very regal. That I'll show you the next time that t-shirt. It costed me not more than 400 or 500 rupees.
See.
That's it.
Yeah.
So ये भी है ना.
हाँ.
So this is the bright part
Yeah.
of Instagram.
Yeah. And even खाने की चीज़ें वगैरह होती है. You are supporting small businesses.
Yes. And
Isn't
I think everybody is getting an opportunity through
yeah.
Instagram
Yeah,
to
on
come up.
YouTube.
Yes.
Yeah.
So वहाँ से inspiration ले लो.
हाँ.
And not to mention, even we can be inspiration to someone
Of
else
course.
through our post.
You said that.
Yes. So DM us your thoughts on Instagram, and not just Instagram, maybe other social media platforms. You think it's inspiration or it is frustration?
So Insta is like aloo. You can make French fries or you can make aloo ka juice. Depends on what you do with it, right? And when was the last time you closed Insta feeling really good and not just guilty about wasting time? So drop your thoughts, DMs, or even Insta stories tagging us. Until next time, keep scrolling wisely.